Ever found yourself with a wad of cash in hand and no easy way to get it into your Ally Bank account? Feeling frustrated with the lack of physical branches? You're not alone. Ally Bank, known for its high-yield savings and online banking prowess, can sometimes feel a bit distant when it comes to depositing physical cash. But fear not, because today we're going to break down the different methods you can use to get your hard-earned cash into your Ally account. Let's dive in. Method 1. ATM deposits. The most straightforward method, if available, is to use an Allpoint ATM. Ally Bank partners with the Allpoint network, giving you access to thousands of surcharge-free ATMs across the United States. These ATMs are typically located in convenient spots like grocery stores, pharmacies, and even some gas stations. To make a deposit, simply follow the on-screen instructions at the ATM. You will usually insert your Ally Bank debit card, enter your PIN, and then follow the prompts to deposit your cash. Pro tip: check the ATM's deposit limits before heading out. Some ATMs may have daily or transaction limits on cash deposits. Method 2. Mobile check deposit. If you have checks you need to deposit, Ally Bank offers a convenient mobile check deposit feature within their mobile app. Here's how it works. Open the Ally Bank mobile app and navigate to the Deposit Checks section. Endorse the back of your check by writing "For mobile deposit only" and your account number. Use your phone's camera to take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your deposit. Important notes. Ensure your check is properly endorsed and legible in the photos. There may be limits on the amount you can deposit via mobile check per day or per transaction. Funds from mobile check deposits are typically available within 1 to 2 business days. Method 3. Partner bank deposits. Ally Bank has partnered with a network of banks that allow you to make cash deposits to your Ally account. Here's how this method usually works. Visit a participating partner bank branch. Take your cash and your Ally Bank account information, account number, routing number, to the teller. The teller will initiate a cash deposit to your Ally account on your behalf. Important notes. Find a participating partner bank near you by visiting the Ally Bank website or using their mobile app. There may be fees associated with this method, so inquire with the partner bank about any potential charges. Method 4. Mail-in deposits. While not as convenient as the other methods, you can also mail cash deposits to Ally Bank. However, it's crucial to follow these steps carefully. Obtain a deposit slip from the Ally Bank website or by contacting customer service. Fill out the deposit slip accurately, including your account number and the amount of cash you are depositing. Count and secure the cash in a safe and tamper-proof envelope. Consider using a registered or insured mail service for added security. Mail the package to the address provided on the deposit slip. Important notes. Mailing cash carries inherent risks. Ally Bank recommends using a secure mailing method and obtaining proof of mailing. It may take several business days for mailed cash deposits to be processed and credited to your account. Method 5. Using a third-party service. If none of the previous methods are feasible for you, consider using a third-party service that facilitates cash deposits to bank accounts. Here's how it generally works. Find a reputable third-party service that offers cash deposit services. Provide the service with your Ally Bank account information and the amount of cash you wish to deposit. Take the cash to a designated location, e.g., a retail store, convenience store, and pay the service fee. The service will then electronically transfer the funds to your Ally Bank account. Important notes. Research and choose a reputable third-party service with a good track record and competitive fees. Be mindful of potential fees associated with using these services. The best method for depositing cash into your Ally Bank account will depend on several factors. Your location and access to ATMs or partner banks. The amount of cash you need to deposit. Your preference for convenience and speed. Your comfort level with mailing cash. The availability of third-party deposit services in your area. Any associated fees with each method. Consider weighing these factors to determine the most suitable option for your specific needs. Tips for safe and secure deposits. Always count your cash carefully before making a deposit. Never disclose your account information to anyone you don't trust. Be wary of phishing scams that may attempt to trick you into providing your account details. If using a third-party service, choose a reputable and trusted provider. Monitor your Ally Bank account activity regularly to ensure all deposits are accurately reflected. While Ally Bank may not have a traditional brick-and-mortar presence, it offers several convenient ways to deposit cash into your account. By exploring the options discussed in this video, you can easily and securely fund your Ally Bank account and enjoy the benefits of their online banking services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.